Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the iPhone and opening Settings. Once there, tap Calendar. This is the control center for default calendars and account visibility. Make sure the account that holds the events is added and enabled in Passwords and Accounts or Mail, otherwise you can't set it as default. Once done, you're ready to pick defaults. Keep the device unlocked and on a stable network so account lists refresh. This prevents missing calendars when you switch the default. Now, in Calendar Settings, tap Default Calendar. You'll see a list of calendars from all added accounts. Tap the specific calendar name you want new events to land in. Once selected, a check mark confirms it. This sets the default for Mail, Contacts, and third-party apps that use iOS defaults. Make sure you choose the calendar under the correct account, otherwise events go to the wrong place. After selection, exit Settings and create a quick test event to verify the change. Finish by creating a brief test event to confirm the default calendar is active. Open Calendar and add a 1-minute event, then check which calendar it used. If the chosen calendar doesn't appear, return to Accounts and toggle the account off and on, or remove and re-add the account so calendars refresh. If that fails, force close calendar or reboot the iPhone. This clears caches. Finally, make sure app permissions and iCloud sync are enabled. That usually resolves link.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.